Is it true that if I feel fine, I don't have to do breath stacking? Even if you feel fine, lung volume loss will occur if you don't stretch your lungs to their maximum. So, to maintain a near normal lung size and elasticity, and to prevent collapse and pneumonia, you should make stacked breathing a routine. Making it a routine also keeps you skilled in the technique, for when you need it, like when you have a cold. Check out the link below to learn more about breath stacking and assisted cough.